Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my podcast. I am very happy that you are here again. Thank you so much for listening. In this episode, we are going to talk about something very important: how to stay positive. Everyone wants to be happy. Everyone wants to feel good and smile. But sometimes life is not easy. We have bad days. We feel sad, tired, or worried. Maybe we have a problem at work, at school, or at home. Maybe someone says something that hurts us. Or maybe we just wake up and don't feel good. That is normal. It happens to all people. But even when life is hard, we can still try to stay positive. Being positive does not mean we ignore problems. It means we choose to look for good things, even when life is difficult. It means we try to smile, even when we feel sad. It means we try to find hope, even when we feel lost. So, how can we stay positive every day? Let's talk about some simple habits and ideas that can help you. First, start your day with a smile. When you wake up in the morning, take a deep breath and smile. It might feel small, but it can change your mood. When you smile, your brain feels happy. Even if you do not feel happy at first, your smile sends a message to your body: I am okay. Today is a good day. Try this every morning. Look in the mirror, smile, and say, I can do this. Try this every morning. Look in the mirror, smile, and say, I can do this. Second, say thank you. Gratitude is a powerful way to stay positive. When you say thank you, you see good things in your life. Maybe you thank your friend, your teacher, or your family. Maybe you thank the weather, your breakfast, or even your pet. It does not matter if it is big or small. When you say thank you, your heart feels light and warm. You can even write it down. Every day, write 3 things you are thankful for. It can be as simple as I am thankful for my coffee, or I am thankful for my friend who sent me a message. After 1 week, you will see that your life is full of good things. You just needed to notice them. Another good habit is to think about good memories. When you feel sad, close your eyes and remember a happy moment. Maybe it was a trip with your family, a fun day with friends, or a nice meal you enjoyed. Think about the people you love and the times you laughed. These memories remind you that happiness is real and it can come again. Sometimes we feel negative because we compare ourselves to others. We see other people on social media and think, they are happier than me, or they are more successful. But remember, social media is not real life. People only show the good parts. You don't see their sad moments. Everyone has problems. Everyone feels sad sometimes. So don't compare your life with others. Focus on yourself. Focus on your own journey. Another way to stay positive is to spend time with kind people. The people around us have a big effect on how we feel. If you stay with people who always complain, you will feel sad too. But if you stay with people who smile and support you, you will feel happier. Choose your friends wisely. Be with people who make you laugh and feel comfortable. Also, help others. When you help someone, you feel good inside. You can help in small ways. Give a smile, say a kind word, or help a friend with something small. Helping others brings joy. When you make someone's day better, your own day becomes better too. Another small thing you can do is to take care of your body. Your mind and body are connected. When you eat healthy food, drink enough water, and sleep well, your mind feels better too. Try to move your body, walk, dance, or stretch. Exercise helps you feel positive and strong. You don't need to go to a gym. Just move your body a little every day. Don't forget to rest. Sometimes we feel negative because we are too tired. We work too much and don't give ourselves time to relax. Take time to rest. Sit quietly. Listen to music. Go outside and look at the sky. Nature can calm your heart. When you rest, you give your body and mind new energy. Another habit that helps you stay positive is to speak kindly to yourself. Many people say bad things to themselves. They think, I am not good enough, or I always make mistakes. But those words hurt you. Try to talk to yourself like you talk to a friend. Be kind. Say, I am trying my best, or I can learn and grow. Everyone makes mistakes. It's okay. What's important is that you don't give up. You can also stay positive by doing things you love. Maybe you like drawing, cooking, reading, or listening to music. When you do something you love, you feel relaxed and happy. Even if you are busy, make a little time for your hobbies. They help you feel balanced. Sometimes we feel sad because we think too much about the past or the future. We think, why did that happen? Or what if something bad happens tomorrow? But the truth is, we only have today. The past is gone and the future has not come yet. So try to enjoy the present moment. Focus on what you are doing now. If you are eating, enjoy the taste. If you are walking, feel the wind. If you are talking to someone, really listen. Living in the present helps you feel calm and positive. It's also good to write your thoughts down. When you write, you can see your feelings clearly. You can write what you are worried about and what makes you happy. Writing helps you let go of stress. You can also write about your goals and dreams. When you see them on paper, they feel real. It gives you hope. If you ever feel really sad, talk to someone. Talk to your friend, your family, or your teacher. You don't have to face everything alone. Talking helps. Sometimes you just need someone to listen. Sharing your feelings makes your heart lighter. Remember, staying positive does not mean you are happy all the time. It means you choose to look for light even when things are dark. Some days will be easy, some days will be hard, but that's okay. Every day is a new chance to start again. Here's something you can try every morning. Say one positive sentence. You can say, today will be a good day, or I can handle today, or I am thankful for my life. These simple words can change how you think. Positive thoughts bring positive feelings. You can also try to smile at people you meet. A smile can make someone's day brighter. It can make you feel warm inside. Maybe someone is sad and your smile gives them hope. Another idea is to make a happy list. Write down things that make you happy: songs, movies, foods, places, people. When you feel sad, look at your list. Do one of the things from it. Maybe you listen to your favorite song or go for a walk. These small actions can bring joy back to your heart. Remember to forgive others, and forgive yourself. Holding anger or sadness makes your heart heavy. Forgiving doesn't mean forgetting, it means letting go. It helps you move forward. When you forgive, you open space in your heart for peace. Sometimes life is difficult. You may face problems you don't understand. You may feel like giving up, but please remember, nothing lasts forever. Bad days come, but they also go. After the rain, the sun always shines again. So keep going. Be patient with yourself. Trust that good things are coming. Every small step counts. Every smile matters. Every thank you changes your day a little. Positivity is not one big thing. It is many small things together. So, my friend, I hope you try these ideas. Smile in the morning. Say thank you. Help others. Rest when you are tired. Do what you love. And be kind to yourself. These small things will make your heart strong and your life bright. Thank you for listening to this podcast. I hope you feel calm and hopeful now. Remember, you are doing your best, and that is enough. Keep going. Keep smiling. Keep believing in yourself. You can stay positive, one small step at a time. Have a beautiful day, and see you again in the next episode.